Hi everyone, welcome back to the English Elevate podcast channel.
We're so happy you're here. This is the podcast where we learn English through real-life conversations, simple stories, and a lot of smiles.
Exactly. No stress, no boring grammar lectures.
Just natural English that you can actually use.
And today's topic is fun, relaxing, and very real life.
Yes, today we planned a picnic.
Just saying the word picnic already makes me hungry.
Same here. Let's get into it.
So, Olivia, how did this picnic plan even start?
Honestly, I was tired of sitting at home all weekend.
That's very relatable.
I texted you and said, let's go outside and do something fun.
And I replied, as long as food is involved, I'm in.
Of course you did.
Then we started planning where to go, what to eat, who's bringing what.
Planning was almost as fun as the picnic itself.
First question, location.
We chose the park near the river.
Because it's green, quiet, and perfect for photos.
And very important, the weather.
Oh yes, we checked the weather app at least 5 times.
Sunny, a little breeze, not too hot.
Basically, perfect picnic weather.
When the weather is good, your mood is already good.
Let's talk about food, because that's the real topic.
Okay, we kept it simple.
Sandwiches, fruit, snacks, and cold drinks.
And don't forget, you promised to bring cookies.
I did, and I brought extra just in case.
Just in case is your favorite excuse.
It's called being prepared.
After eating, we played some games.
We played cards and a little badminton.
You were very confident at first.
And then I started losing.
But we laughed a lot, so it still counts as winning.
We also talked, joked, and just enjoyed the moment.
No phones, no stress, just real conversation.
How did you feel during the picnic?
Honestly, relaxed and happy.
Same here. It felt good to slow down.
Sometimes simple plans give the most happiness.
And it was a great reminder that we don't need anything fancy.
Just good company, fresh air, and a few snacks.
Especially snacks.
As the sun started setting, we packed up and headed home.
Tired, but in a good way.
We promised to do it again soon.
Maybe next time with more friends.
And more food.
Definitely more food.
After the picnic, we finally went back home.
Yes, and honestly, I was exhausted.
Same here. Fresh air is nice, but it really makes you tired.
The kind of tired where you sit on the sofa and don't want to move.
Exactly. I remember thinking, I need a shower and a long rest.
I just changed my clothes and lay down for a few minutes.
Just a few minutes that turned into almost an hour.
That's called picnic recovery time.
But even though we were tired, the day wasn't over yet.
Oh yes, because there was something important planned for the evening.
A football match.
Not just any match, Barcelona versus Real Madrid.
El Clasico.
Exactly, we couldn't miss that.
Even though I was tired, I made some tea and snacks.
Snacks again?
Of course, football without snacks is illegal.
I totally agree.
We turned on the TV a little early.
Just to feel the excitement.
The atmosphere was completely different from the picnic.
But still fun in its own way.
The match started and suddenly all the tiredness disappeared.
Yes, football has magical energy.
We were cheering, shouting, and reacting to every move.
Sometimes happy, sometimes very stressed.
Especially when the referee made a decision.
Let's not talk about that.
After the match, it was already late.
A long day, but a very good one.
From a picnic in the park,
To a football match at home.
simple plans but full of memories.
That's what makes a day special.
Before sleeping, I thought today was really balanced.
Fresh air, good food, laughter, rest, and fun.
And good company.
Always the most important part.
Days like this remind us to enjoy life.
And talk about it in English.
So today we talked about planning a picnic,
Enjoying nature, food, and games.
feeling relaxed and happy,
Coming home tired but satisfied.
watching an exciting football match together.
A full day told in simple English.
If you enjoyed this real-life English conversation,
Please like, subscribe, and share the English Elevate podcast channel.
and comment below, how do you like to spend your perfect day?
Remember, practice English through real stories.
Step by step, day by day.
Together. See you in the next episode.
See ya.